Okay, welcome to Coloring What Ifs. My name is Simon, and today we are going to go over an outline of the picture we will be coloring of Iron Man. Okay, so in the next video we will be coloring Iron Man using a pencil. So like every other coloring that we did using a pencil, this will give us a good outline of how we will be coloring the next pictures using crayons, pencil crayons, and a paint. So I'm hoping I'd be able to discuss it more in detail about that. So let's just start with it, okay? So I'm planning on doing the top area red. The main colors that we are going to be using is red and yellow. So it's basically simple like that. So red, most likely red, basically red for the major parts. Mix in with some yellow portions right here. I'm going to put in more detail, like adding more, you can say, shade or more of an effect on this, so it's gonna make it look better, and you'll be able to see the differences in shade, so it will stick up. Most likely I will be using blue for this instead of white, probably just like a blue highlight around it would make it look better, I believe, just to give it a presence. I believe I've seen all pictures of Iron Man and the suit. It had some sort of a blue outlining, so I'll be doing that. And red. I will try to put in some silver in here just in case, but most likely I'll barely use that. But like I said, the main part is if you are going to be getting the colors, is we will be using red, yellow, blue, and black and white, and that's basically all you have to worry about right now to get prepared for it. Okay, so thank you for watching, and remember, keep it simple. See you next time. Thank you everybody for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video, and possibly leave a comment if you want to.